My name's Mark Walsh. I was born in England, came to Canada in 1997. I've been here since then, obviously. Had an accident July 2002, which is how we met Ed Hand. I received what is termed as a virtual amputation to the right arm and a compound fracture to the right leg.
At the time of the accident, a friend of ours had sent us a lawyer while Mark was still in hospital. Apparently he was a high Bay Street lawyer, $10,000 just to walk in the door, the best you could get. Came in to see us, basically had a look at Mark's injuries, talked to us briefly and said, there's not much I can really do with this, you know, maybe come see me in a couple of months, let me see where your injuries go, and that was it. So I started going on the internet and looking for personal injury lawyers, and I came across a site, Helping Hands, and Ed's biography on there stated that he was disabled after an accident, and he had pretty well lost everything, and you know, had lost his home and his vehicles after his accident and hit rock bottom. And I thought, oh my God, here's someone who's gone through what we're going through. So I called Ed and I said, you know, you've gone through what we're going through, you know, can we meet, can we talk? He was at our house 2 hours later, and he sat there for hours, and he cried with me, and he talked with me, and he held my hand, and told me he knew exactly what we'd gone through, and he had. And that was incredible, because I honestly didn't think there was anybody out there who knew how I felt. So we've been with Ed ever since.
Ed Hand's amazing, an awesome individual with all kinds of attention for the injured party. He's just a wonderful person. He's been there for us since we got in touch with Helping Hands, which was probably around December of 2002. And ever since then, he's called us, contacted us. Do you need anything? Do you need any help? Do you need us to do anything for you? They're just unbelievable. They're not the average law firm or caring, sharing lawyer. If you understand what I mean, they're just amazing. He's always there to let us know that
he just finds ways to make everything okay.
Yeah.
He Ed and Bruce together managed to get our accident benefits in place, which we never knew we were entitled to. We had no idea that our car insurance covered us for accidents that weren't in our car. So again, that's something Ed got into place for us, and of course that allowed us to, you know, get a home and get back into having a car. And actually Ed helped us get a car. He took us and, you know, helped us get all set up and kind of get our family back on track, because I'm the mom and I'm the wife, and I guess everything kind of fell on my shoulders. It's just knowing that someone's been there, that when I call him and I'm just depressed and I'm upset and I don't know where to go now, knowing that he's been there and he got through it, it helps a lot. Knowing that there's times when I'm just so down and so depressed that I can call him and he'll talk me through it, and it's just, without that, I mean, having the lawyer dealing with all the legal stuff is wonderful, but of course they can't tell you every step of the way what's happening, and you know, they can't be calling you all the time saying, oh, you know, this is what's going on with the case. So just to have Ed as our kind of go-between, it just makes so much of a difference to daily how we feel and how we, you know, get through our life. And I mean, it's been 4 years, and it's 4 years that without Ed we wouldn't have got through.
And for anybody sitting there with a catastrophic injury that's wondering, well, you know, I'm going to go through a major lawsuit and it's going to take 5, 6, 7 years, or however long. Hundreds of doctors. You know, them's all things that Helping Hands help you through. Yeah. You know, it's okay, we can do this, you know, we can get through this, and we're here if you need us.